This video here is about a Gantt chart. So I'm going to use my little finger and point to X, Y, and Z. On here, on the left, I'll have it on this, but I'll put the name of the person or the garden where the plant is. Here, I'll put the Latin name. There, I'll put when it's got to be pruned in late winter, how to look after the plant. Here, I'll put the heights, and here I've got the flower and the tapestry of the plant, etc. Over here, if you want a new garden or an improved garden, I can start doing garden design and start drawing this out. This takes a very long time, so depending on the size of the garden, it'll be a day rate. Lots of communication needs to be done via garden design. This cannot be done and then forgotten about. This is quite intense. Not only do you have to consider the type of plants, you've got to consider the type of species as well of per plant. So if you're wanting to improve your garden, please look into it, take your time. There's an awful lot of species of salvia, and for instance, and they do not need, and the maintenance of each salvia isn't always in sequence, like one visit. Let's just say deadheading in summer, some of them might need doing in autumn, cutting down to base, etc. So hopefully I've made it all nice and clear. Personal gardening surface limited. It doesn't matter what time of year this happens. If we're going through a dry spell, please contact me and we can start doing some garden designs. Start drawing them all out on paper. We'll have to confer, agree. I'll have to talk to you through a headset via, a stream or something like that, just to get everything done. So I'm the man. This could be done all year round, throughout the winter, if you've got designs for the winter, when it's nice and quiet. I could set up a garden for you for the spring. I could do the soil tests and go from there. Anyway, I hope this helps. That garden is just not all about pruning, maintenance. A lot of the work is actually done sitting in an office. Bye for now.